Good morning, everyone. Before we begin this course, let me ask you a simple question. Why do some organizations consistently deliver quality products on time at low cost, while others struggle despite having similar technology and resources? The answer lies not in marketing slogan or financial statements, but deep inside the organization, that is, in its operations. Every product you use and every service you experience, from your mobile phone to an online food delivery, exists because operations were planned, designed and managed effectively. When operations are efficient, customers are satisfied and companies grow. When operations fail, even the best idea collapses. Production and operation management is the discipline that convert ideas into reality. It is where strategy meets execution. It determines how resources such as men, machines, materials, money, and methods are transformed into goods and services that create value. In today's competitive world, operation management is no longer a support function, it is a strategic weapon. Through this course, you will learn how organizations design processes, plan and control production, manage quality, reduce cost, improve productivity, and respond to changing customer demands. More importantly, you will develop the ability to think systematically how decisions in one part of the organization affect the entire system. Whether you become an engineer, a manager, an entrepreneur, or a consultant, your success will depend on how well you understand and manage operations. This course will not help you to pass the examination, it will help you to understand how organizations actually work. So, welcome to the course of production management. So in this course, we have 4 units. Number 1 is production and productivity. Second is production planning and control. Third is factory organization. Fourth is material handling and repair maintenance. In the first unit, production and productivity, we have 3 segments. In first segment, we will discuss about the production and operation management introductory part, and in the second segment we'll talk about the production and productivity. In the third segment we'll talk about production system. So friends, let us start with first part, introduction. In introduction, first we'll talk about production management and operation management, how production management is different from operation management. Then objectives of production and operation management. Then scope and significance of production and operation management. Then history of production and operation management. Then services versus goods, how services are different from goods. Then place of production and operation manager in an organization structure. Then functions and activities performed by production and operation manager. Then decisions involved in production and operation management. Then environmental and social concern, production and operation management scenario today. So let us begin with introduction. So the subject of production and operation management is studied under different headings such as production planning and control, production and inventory control, production and operation control, and many more. Whatever may be the title of the subject, the content of the subject more or less are same. Production management becomes an acceptable term during the period of 1930 to 1950. In 1970, 2 significant changes emerged in managerial thinking. The most notable change reflected in the adoption of the term operation management. As service sector became more prominent, the change from production to operation emphasized the broadening of the field to the service organizations. The second, more suitable change was beginning of an emphasis on synthesis rather than just analysis in the managerial practices. Now come to the production management. What is production management? Production management, the set of interrelated management activities which are involved in manufacturing certain product is called production management, or we can say that production management focuses specially on the production of goods and services and is concentrated upon churning output from input. When we are talking about operation management, when the same concept is extended to the services, then the corresponding set of management activities is called operation management. It includes transportation, storage, inspection and distribution. Now if we differentiate between a production and operation management on the set of different parameters, then we can differentiate it on the basis of scope. In production management, there is it is limited to the manufacturing and shop floor activities, whereas operation management is broader term. It covers the entire business including the post-production activities and deliveries. Second, on the basis of application also, we can differentiate. It is relevant to organization that produce the tangible goods. Operation management is applicable to all organizations including service waste like banks or hospitals. Then objective of the production management is to focus on high quality output at lowest cost and at right time, whereas operation management focus on optimal utilization of the resources and to maximize the overall efficiency and customer satisfaction. In case of production management, the output type is tangible goods like cars, mobile phones, whereas in case of operation management, the output type is tangible goods and intangible goods. Primary task of production management is to machine maintenance, scheduling, quality control, whereas the primary task of operation management is strategic planning, logistic, workforce management and supply chain, etc. Now, why this distinction matter? Because day by day the differentiation between the discrimination between the two fields is increasingly blurred. For instance, I will tell you with one example. A software company uses production management to handle the code releases and developer cycles, while operation management oversees the entire digital workflow, user feedback loops and data security infrastructure. So that is how production management and operation management differentiated from each other. If we combine both the terms production and operation management, then it involves planning, organizing and controlling the processes that transform input into a finished goods or services. Input like raw material, machinery, labor, energy, etc. Its aim to maximize the efficiency, reducing the cost and ensuring the quality to meet the customer demand. In 2026, production management increasingly relies on Industry 4.0 technologies such as AI-driven demand forecasting and IoT-enabled monitoring to maintain the lean supply chain and to reduce the equipment downtime. Advanced tools like SAP SCM are frequently used to synchronize these complex operational workflows. SAP CPM means SAP is a programming module and SCM means supply chain management. So these are frequently used in the complex operational workflows. So in this lecture, we are able to understand that how production management and operation management are different from each other and how it works when we are taking together production and operation management. In the next lecture, we are going to discuss the objectives of the production and operation management. Till then, friends, be connected. Thank you so much.